Hey guys, welcome to Dev. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates, and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any job, so I will provide the link in the description so you can directly apply for that job. So let's start. This hiring is conducted by the Hone. So they are hiring for software development intern for summer 2026. Okay, so this is all about home. These are the primary responsibilities. The candidate must learn technical skills as the candidate can support the team in various tasks, participating in the design, development, testing, and debugging the software applications or components. Candidate must also write the code, implementing features, writing documentation, or fixing bugs under the guidance of another developer. Okay, these are the qualifications. A junior or senior of relevant undergraduate program or enrolled in graduate program with a minimum cumulative GPA of 3.0. Okay, so if you are undergraduate or a graduate, okay, so if you have passed the graduation or you are pursuing the graduation, so your GPA must be minimum 3.0. A candidate must have graduated from the software development bootcamp or training program, or can provide a portfolio demonstrating relevant self-taught skills. Means a candidate must have also done a software development bootcamp or training program related to the development. Okay, and the candidate must also have the idea about case, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and it is also have familiar with the React.js and Next.js for front-end development. So if you have the knowledge about React.js and Next.js, so it will be the plus point. Okay, but it is not necessary. But if you have any knowledge about it, so it will be the plus point. And the candidate must also have the basic knowledge of object-oriented programming language. Okay, so that is OOPS knowledge candidate must also have. It must also good in communication skills, okay, and ability to work with collaboratively in a team environment. Okay, so if you want to read in the details, so I will provide the link in the description so that you can read this job description. Okay, so these are the benefits and this is the compensation, that is up to $25 per hour. Okay, you will get. Want to apply for this job, so you can click on this button and you can directly apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the Cvent. So they are hiring for management trainee, associate product consultant. Okay, and the department will be client service, and the location will be Gurugram, India, and it will be the work from office job. So no remote job is there, so we have to go to office and you have to work. Okay, and this will be the overview related to the company. This is all about role. Okay, hiring for client services department for event management software products. Their team have over 350 product consultant, analysts, and relationship managers. Okay, so if you want to read the detail, I will provide the link in the description. So this is the role. So I will mention 2-3 points here. So create and maintain all product documentation. So you have to create the documentation and all related to the product, and communicate with the client and review the initial implementation with them, and make required changes. Here freshers can apply for the job. For 2025 and 2026 graduates can apply for the job, and they should need excellent communication skills, strong analytical and logical skills, strong business acumen, ethics, and high integrity, high comfort level in using online software products. Okay, a quick learner with positive attitude and ability to work well within the team. Okay, so this much requirement is this. So if you want to apply, so you can click on this button and you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Cognizant. So they are hiring for the junior software engineer, and the location will be Chennai, and this will be the job description. Okay, so this is the responsibility of the candidates. Okay, and these are the requirements. So strong understanding about the React.js and its core principles, and also have the knowledge about basic, that is foundation HTML, CSS, JavaScript, have experience with RESTful APIs and integrate them with web applications. Okay, and also the candidate must also have the idea about GitHub, and basic understanding about the responsive design principles and cross browser compatibility. Okay, so this much, and freshers can also apply for this job. Okay, and if you want to apply for this job, so you can click on this button and you can directly apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Izmo. So they are hiring for training software engineer and for Python basically, and the location will be Bangalore, and it will be the work from office job, and 0 to 1 years of experience can be applied for the job. And this is all about the company. Okay, and this will be the job description. Want to read in the details, so I will provide the link in the description. You can read this job description. So I will highlight 2-3 points. So these are the key responsibilities. So develop, test, and maintain efficient Python code for web and SaaS applications, assist in the backend development, API integration, and database interaction, debug and troubleshoot issues, ensuring high performance and scalability, collaborate with the senior engineers to deliver assigned modules and projects. Okay, so this much you should have to do. Okay, and these are the skills required, like Python is required, oops, data structures and algorithms, familiar with the Django, Flask frameworks. Okay, the knowledge about relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL queries, basic understanding about REST APIs, problem solving skills and analytical skills is required, and a good communication skills is required. Okay, so education must be so B or BTech in computer science, IT or related fields can be applied for this job, or MCA or relevant degree is can be applied for this job. Okay, so this is all about it. So if you want to apply for this job, so you can click on easy apply and you can apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the F&P. So they are hiring for backend interns. Okay, according to your skills, so you can fill this form. Okay, and it will be the face-to-face interview, Gurgaon. Okay, sector 44 office. So according to your skills, so you can fill this form, and here you can give your resume link. So you have to create the link of the resume and you can give here. Okay, and make sure the link is accessible. Okay, So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.